Good morning, Linda Borghi from Farmyard and New Leaf Flavors. I'm here in Brooksville, Florida at my cousin's eggplant factory, Mr. G's, and I'm farming a yard. And because he has a steady flow of eggplant skins, because they skin them, right? I had a brain fart. Let me show you what I thought about. Let's see how it works out. He has a lot of these bags because they come with breadcrumbs and flour. So what I'm doing is I'm taking these eggplant skins, right? And I'm putting them inside of these brown paper bags. Show you over here. These are filled up. Putting cardboard down first, and then on top of it, I'm putting black cow. And there's the final product. There's the final. I'll take some photos when it's a little lighter out. There's the final process right there, that mound. And in that mound, I am going to plant Bradford watermelon seeds. And then they could just go, because the cardboard will all be there. Ciao, Marcella, come va bella, ciao. That's my cousin in Italy. Well, there you go, kiddos. I am farming a yard. Let me show you the whole thing. There we go. There's my mounds. Okay, let's walk back this way a little bit. See? There we go, filled with food and flowers. Today is a leaf day, so all of these buggers are going to be filled with leaf crops. Early morning walk around. So that's all for now, brown cow. There's Mr. G. Say hi. Hi, Mr. G. We've been talking since 4. Well, anyway, I will once again catch you on the flip side. And please, now is the time to farm your yard. Right now, your windowsill, your basement. If you need any help, if you've never done it before, contact me. I'll help you out. Honest to goodness, that's what I live for. All right, kiddos, farm a yard.